If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and aye. So first to the face I hear the voice, so you don't know say a kogency, but the kogency reacts channel. And today, we have Lippy let it all out on barbers and haircuts, hype reacts. Now, I hope you watch the fucking FIFA video that we did where the Lippy reacts in a dog. You see me? Because that video was top tier. You understand? And this one, oh my God. Bro, I'm ready to get into it, dog. The man ready for top bow. On the thumbnail, they had R9 with the fucking, the World Cup cut. Not even the World Cup, the R9 cut. With the fucking just here right there. So, mad thing, dog. And if you don't know who Lippy is, just watch this video and you'll find out who he is. This woman, dog, who is she? She's so old, but she's so peng. Like, damn, man, I just want some of that. But anyway, man, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. And what is this? Is this a radio? Is this a cassette player? What the fuck is this? Anyway, let's jump into it, man.
Barbers, the heroes of the community.
Hey, fam, I haven't been to the barber in so long, bro. Like, no lineup, no nothing. But guess what? The sweet ones still love me, bro. I swear down. As soon as the sweet ones stop loving me, then I'll go to the barber, bro. But until then, I'm not going to the barber. It wastes too much time.
Let's react to this, man.
Come on, Lips. Aye, Hive reacts.
Barbers,
hey.
Man.
Gang.
Thank the Lord you people exist. My barber's trying to not exist right now. That's why I have a hat on, but I'll soon exist. I just want to talk about the barbers themselves for a minute, man, because a lot of the reason why man get jobs, the reason why man get girlfriends, the reason why man's walking
whoa.
a long way home so everyone can see his trim.
No.
We are confident.
Did he just put himself beside Kim K? Bro, Lips, you should know better than that, man. You should know the history of black men that go around that family, bro. We're not having it, man. I'm not having it, bro. Lippy, you're not going around Kim K, bro. I'm not having it.
Jobs.
You're precious to the community, that we can't do this, man. She already fucked up Kanye. He was already fucked up before. We're not letting her fuck you up, bro.
The reason why man get girlfriends.
Nah, not Kim K though.
Man's walking like the long way home so everyone can see his trim. The reason why we have confidence.
Gang.
Haircut.
Well, no, I have confidence and my hair is not cut at all. So confidence come from within.
Can change your destiny, man. I see you see them videos on TikTok and that where they take a homeless man to the barber and
yeah.
Depp now. But listen, a haircut, it's like makeup for us, innit? It's like
save your life.
Makeover.
Yeah.
You understand? So before I go off onto my little rant, I just want to say big up the barbers, man.
Big up the barbers, respect.
Are the reason why we're okay. Yeah, so big up every single one of you lot.
Yeah.
But some of you lot, some of the trims I've seen, so there's no way.
Did them show the 014 Sterling cut?
Some of you lot.
But them show the Liverpool Sterling cut. I don't know what Sterling was doing with this one, man. He looks like a fucking trapper from Harlem in the 70s, bro. Or 80s. Like, he looks like a pimp and a drug dealer from the 70s.
Some of the trims I've seen.
That look like Bruno Fernandes.
There's no way some barbers, that message weren't for you. I need to speak to you.
Yeah.
Because it's crazy right now.
Crazy.
I just think as life goes on, and maybe I'm getting older and I'm just realizing this. Maybe it's always been like this, but as life goes on, it's just getting more and more ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Man.
Hey, fam, with the man weaves and the sprays and man, alright, man, it's getting mad.
Typical Lippy fashion. I want to talk about my favorite people on the planet. I want to talk about the footballers.
Footballers!
Second, let's start way back when I wasn't around.
Yeah, bro, footballers and musicians are literally my favorite people on the planet.
And probably around the time I was born, the mullet.
The mullet!
What is that?
Billy Ray Cyrus.
Is the mullet? Who authorized this?
Lothar Matthäus.
One or two man had it. Cool. Those are the mullet man. They're crazy. Don't go
near them.
Everybody had a mullet. I don't know what went on before I was born, but maybe I was born and the world just realized there can't be mullets by the time this boy can speak because he's gonna complain. So there was no more mullets.
Nah, fam, because when I grew up, I saw Billy Ray Cyrus on my TV with a mullet. definitely it was Hannah Montana and her show, but I still saw Billy Ray on the show with a mullet. And I was like, why is his hair like that?
The time I got to a certain age, thank the Lord, there was all kind of other hairstyles, man.
Yeah,
like
man.
I said, like, I don't know if you've seen certain previous episodes, but I started off playing FIFA 99.
Yeah,
They couldn't
hey,
even
go and watch the FIFA episode, bro, please.
put certain man's hairstyle on the game because their hair was just so mad. This
Mad.
man's name is Taribo West. He plays for Inter Milan and Nigeria.
Taribo
as a centre
West.
back.
Wow.
I can't remember if he was good or not. I just remember his hair
was mad.
ridiculous all the time. And I don't understand
man.
why. Maybe he's just a very hard man. I don't know. Me personally, I think the whole world was going through something in the 90s. It was some kind of, there was a pandemic.
Yeah.
A trimming pandemic.
A trimming
I don't
pandemic.
know, but all the barbers was smoking something different then. Another guy that looked like a madman. This guy's name is Abel
God.
Xavier.
I know
He's
him.
another centre back. So I don't know what the centre backs are drinking. This guy's
Fam, he literally looks like somebody from out of Street Fighter or Tekken. I swear to you, dog. I swear there's somebody in Street Fighter or Tekken that look like one of these guys.
Abel's.
Somebody looks like him. Or from what, Mortal Kombat. Some fighting game guy looks like him, bro. I promise you.
Xavier. He's another centre back. So I don't know what the centre backs are drinking. This guy's Portuguese with a blonde
everything.
beard and blonde hair.
Everything.
Looking like
a lion.
something out of Tekken.
Yeah, but bro, how many times have I been? How many times? How many times did I? Shut up. How many times in the slide and glide? How many times to go outside? Shut up, man. All right, them not shut up. But yo, how many times am I going to say something about a video, and when I'm watching the video confirm what I say? This is probably like the 10th time this has happened, you know, or 20th time, you know. Imagine how I add 10. Wow, that's crazy. The 10th or 11th time this happened, you know. It's not a joke, bro. You understand? I'm connected to the universe, bro. No joke. You're watching a special guy right now, fam. I'm telling you.
I don't understand. Another blonde black man that plays for Liverpool. His
Cisse.
name is Gabriel Cisse.
Alright, gang.
He's the fastest man with bad hair ever.
Wow.
He was so quick. And that's the only compliment I have for him. Because I remember one time he dyed his hair. He had 2 blonde streaks in his hair.
Wow.
And then he had 2 blonde streaks in his eyebrows. Wow.
In his eyebrows?
His hair. And then he had 2 blonde streaks in his eyebrows.
He did.
Wow.
Wow.
I remember, I think we signed him in 2000. Right back from, I think we got him from Mallorca. His name is Loren. I think he's probably the best right back we've ever had. But this was his hair when he joined Arsenal.
Oh, God.
Only the Lord knows who his barber was. Because a couple years later, this was his hair.
Whoa! Loren, the man has the low-cut cornrows. What? My nigga, how the fuck you get that? How you do that? My nigga got the low-cut cornrows. Bro, how you do that? And why? No, why you do that as well? If you did have hair before to do the actual cornrows, why not just do the corner? Why cut off your hair and still get the... Anyway, bro, I can't.
Loren, I love you. You're one of the hardest men to ever play for my team. And I understand.
Pause, man, that just sounds weird.
You're one of the hardest men to ever play for my team.
Pause.
And I understand that maybe no one was brave enough to tell you that was wrong. But I'm here to tell you
that was wrong.
That was wrong, uncle.
That was wrong, uncle.
Don't do it again. You can't do it again. You're bored. God punish you for that.
Yeah.
One of the best strikers this country's ever seen. Didier
Drogba.
Why did you have the same hairstyle as my dinner lady? You're another one that's bald now.
Yeah, man.
God knows you never should have had hair.
Yeah. You can't be doing all that stuff to your hair for all those years and still have your hair past a certain time, though. Like, Drogba's hair was, it was tired of it, man. It was too soft at that point, man.
So your head is extra shiny now.
Extra shiny now, man.
Why was you relaxing your hair?
Yeah.
And you had a headband on. Just cut your hair. Your hair wasn't even long enough for your hair to get in your face. Why did you have a headband on? You was a great striker. You used to bully Arsenal so much.
Yeah.
When you put his hair into ponytail, he used to do the thing where he had his hair in the ponytail and the rest of it
lick a bit down. Yeah,
bro.
bro. I still do that up to this day, bro. Well, is it because of Drogba? Well, kinda. I really saw it because of Victor Moses. One time I had in twist and I saw Victor Moses put his dreads up here and let some dreads fall down. So it's still a Chelsea player. But you know what I'm saying, bro. Anybody who's watching this who don't care about football is like, fam, what's wrong with kogency, man? What's wrong with trigonometry? I'm here for the drill. But I'm talking about football now, man. Go watch some drill some other time.
From friends. And he became an even better player. I don't understand. Another Arsenal idiot. Gervinho.
Bro, Gervinho, the forehand, the five hand.
I don't understand. Another Arsenal idiot.
Fam, I feel like this should be my this should be my cover photo for my channel, bro. Or my IG picture or something. This picture is beautiful. Look at the forehead, bro. The nigga has no hairline. Not even one.
Gervinho. What is this? You got the same trim as my auntie and me and all my cousins' foreheads put together as your forehead. I don't appreciate you, bro. And
fam, dog, what? That is disgusting. Hell no, fam. They need to stop that. And hold on. Wait a second. God. Whew. Sorry, dog. My allergies are just going mad right now.
Never did. Let's talk about a man that's playing right now. This guy is quality. Sadio Mane. And this is him after the hairline transplant. When the Most High created Mane, it's like there was one final ingredient.
Yeah.
He's like, listen. This guy's either going to be one of the best left wingers in the world.
Yeah.
Or he's going to have a decent hairline.
Decent hairline. One of the two. Whip. Best footballer, fam. When footballers came back from quarantine and you saw their quarantine cuts, I hope he shows Aubameyang's cut, you know, bro. Aubameyang coming back from quarantine is worse than Sadio Mane, bro. I hope he shows it.
And he don't need hairline. He'll be all right. He'll just do a blonde streak in his hair.
Yeah.
What is going on? My favorite footballer ever, the phenom, R9.
R9.
He was so good at football that he said, you know what?
You know what?
Barber, it's the 2002 World Cup and I'm up front. So only leave the front.
Wait, they were playing 3 at the back in 1992? 2002?
And I'm up front.
God damn, man, them playing 3-4-3. That's crazy.
Front. So only leave the front. I'm a striker. All I know about is
the front.
Final third.
Yeah, final third.
Final third trim.
Aye.
He got the final third. No one is that good at football.
No one.
To have the final third trim.
No one.
Thank you, Messi, for not messing around with your hair.
Yeah.
A certain man think, because they're so good at football, they can have any hairstyle. That's why, before CR7 was even CR7, you was just 7. We didn't even know. We was thinking, are you worthy of taking Beckham's number 7 shirt? A lot of stepovers, but a lot of pot noodle on his head. Me personally, I was shocked that he became so good.
Oh my God, dog. Sorry, guys. Like, Jesus Christ. Keep doing that. Yeah, sorry about them. But yeah, I mean, obviously, Ronaldo came up when I was like 4. He signed for Manchester United and he got good when I was like, 6. So I was too young. And then by the time I was 8, he was already way too good. But I knew about him, but I didn't, you know what I'm saying? And then he signed for Real Madrid 2009. So I didn't really get to see a lot of Ronaldo at Man U. But he's back now, but Man U is so shit now.
A lot of pot noodle on his head.
On his head.
Me personally, I was shocked that he became so good.
Yeah.
I thought no man with that amount of grease in his scalp is healthy. Is healthy enough to learn the game. It's as simple as that.
That's healthy enough.
Let's go back. Big up the cameraman, because he reminded me of this one. When Jermaine Defoe thought he was a planet in the solar system.
Wow.
And he had the one streak of I don't even know what that stuff is that goes around planets. What is that? Dust? Stardust?
Stardust.
Alien rubbish? I don't know. But it was on Jermaine Defoe's head.
Oh my God.
And my thing is, you were playing for Tottenham, big man. So you weren't happy.
You
Was
were.
that a cry for help? This guy used to play for Tottenham.
Man.
So I know he wasn't happy. Why? Because his
Tottenham
hairline
is
used
shit.
to look like this. But now,
Andros
he's
Townsend.
scoring in Old Trafford doing Sue, and CR7 ain't even doing Sue, and he's got a high top now, bro.
Yeah, he's a high
He
top
was
fade
bald
now. Yeah.
And not doing Sue. Now he got hair and he's doing
Sue.
Sue. The barbers need to do something.
Hey, getting out of hand, man.
I know what you lot are saying.
Yeah.
Who are you to speak about hair?
Yeah, he ain't got no hair.
Brother, I'm the hairline. I was about to say master. If
He's
I
not
was
the hairline master, no.
You lot are the hairline gods. I'm not the hairline man. I'm just
You're not.
I'm a man that knows what time it is, yeah?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
a man
yeah.
that cherishes every skin fade that I used to have. I miss it. I've got receding hairline now.
Fam is in bed reminiscing.
Every skin fade that I used to have, I miss it. I've got receding hairline now.
Oh,
All I
man.
could do now is just rate the man them's trim.
Yeah.
But I start off, when I get a trim, it's 7 out of 10. And it works backwards. You understand? You're meant to leave the barbers a 12 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm leaving there 6.25, bro.
Wow.
Yeah? So all you man that have the ability to have any hairstyle,
Yeah.
you're taking... This guy's a family member, and
But thing is, I can have any hairstyle, bro. So what? You talking about me?
I love him because he's family. Specs Gonzalez
Specs.
has the ability to do everything with his hair. What does he do? He has no hair. He cut off all his hair.
Yeah, man.
Another guy should be a pro footballer.
But yeah, Specs cut off all him hair, and then by like 2 weeks later, the man have a fade again, bro. It's mad.
Messes around too much, humps too many speakers.
PK Humble. How did I know? Humility. Call up PK Humble. We need a robbery. Hey, PK. So he said in robbery, call up PK Humble. We need a robbery. So he was out there robbing people, PK? PK. PK. Alright, fam. I'm just saying, fam, because on the Filthy Fellas, he was talking about when he's around his gangster friends and that. Bro, you're probably one of the gangster friends, bro. Call up PK Humble. We did a robbery. I'm just joking. But anyway, man.
Got a broken heart in your hair, little bro. What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Talk to me.
Talk to
I
me.
told you, when you go through things, don't let us know via your trim. Phone me, brother. This
Ring
is right.
my line.
Steve-O the madman had locks
Look.
the other day. The man, there's hair so bad right now, I can't even remember what tune he sings. And you're my boy. Swarms. What have you done?
Whoa, Swarms, dog. What go on? Swarms look like he's trying to be Little Dirk and King Von in one, dog. Like, what's wrong with this nigga, bro? Swarms. Oh, nah. You don't want to ramp with me. Bro, I don't want to ramp with that. Swarms, change that hairstyle, bro. No joke.
My bro, you're looking like Rosie and Jim with those locks. The locks look like rope, bro.
Rope.
I need all the barbers of the world.
There's a dance in Jamaica called rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Let me teach you how to rope. Get to the rope and I said that's dope. Alright, sorry.
Simple as this. If you done any of the trims that I complained about today, give me your address. Because we have to talk about this.
Yeah.
We need to further discuss if you're allowed to carry on
Barbering.
other sports. Dennis Rodman.
Whoa.
He had
Elemental
leopard
P.
skin trim.
Wow, that's mad still.
My thing is, all the other hairstyles, the green, the blue, the every, what are you doing?
Yeah.
What is going on?
What go on?
I need to, this ain't even about sport. Everybody from Florida, what kind of
Yeah.
dreadlocks?
That's what I can't get. Cause I lived in Florida for 5 years. So I've been seeing this for 5+ years now. Bro, I don't get it, dog. Like the man them literally just hold the hair together and just let it grow, fam. You know what I'm saying? They start off like this and then they just grow and grow until the man them just look like something from Dragon Ball Z, bro. I swear it out. I swear it down.
For these, bro. Kodak Black, you look like a tree, my bro. I
palm
don't
tree.
know what's going on, man. Lewis Hamilton got dreadlocks now. Everybody's got
Nah,
hair.
but he's got the twist ups, man. The twist ups, man.
I don't know what's going on, man. Lewis Hamilton got dreadlocks now. Everybody's got hair but me. That's
Yeah.
the way I see it. And it's not right.
And he's
They got the
vexed.
spray now in the barbers. I remember the barber, the first time the barber drew for spray for me. I thought it was mace. I said, what you doing?
What we doing?
See him drawing for some spray. I said, I'll pay you, bro. I know I owe you from the last trim, but I'll pay you. I promise you.
Hey,
you don't need to spray him in my eye with the mace. He said, nah, this is spray on hair. I said, brother, I see shepherd's pie in a can, bacon in a tube. They got hair.
Bacon in a tube. Fam, it things like that make me think for turn Muslim in a dark. Cause just like, bro, what? Why do you have bacon in a tube, bro? Haram.
I see shepherd's pie in a can, bacon in a tube.
No.
They got hairline in a spray now, bro. It looked good though. I'm not gonna lie. What he didn't tell me
that it wash off
is how easily that comes off. You know when you scratch your head when you think to yourself. I thought to myself, and my hair was in my nail. You can't even think when you get the spray. You just gotta just maneuver.
Maneuver, man.
Listen, barbers, man. Let's warn us before you put on the alcohol.
Yeah.
Let's do that as well. Cause sometimes they don't even say anything. You just be like, oh, you saying I'm done?
Yeah.
Don't do that to me, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna pay you, bro. Put my head back. There's no need for this.
Fam, and then when they spray it, the whole of your head back just full of bump and just red up, so your trim don't even look as clean because the man just sprayed that whole heap of alcohol blood. Like, calm down, man. Like, use a wipes or something, now, bro.
Like I said, I started off on a positive note. I'm gonna end it on a positive one. Thank you for your services.
Yeah.
Big up yourselves.
Gang.
Providing the man them with confidence.
With the trims.
You're heroes.
Heroes.
You deserve more money than you get.
Yeah, I get it.
You understand? But please, if a man asks for Dennis Rodman,
don't give him
a print hairstyle, just say no, bro.
No, bro, I don't do that.
You have a choice. Say no.
No.
What's Rashford's hair doing now? I don't know. Everybody is moving mad. So
I don't see nothing wrong with Rashford's hair. I think Lippy's just vexed because everybody has hair and he doesn't, bro.
Let's keep it simple with the trims. Let's just go back to the normal skin fade.
No, bro.
Meek Mill, get a skin fade. You never have a skin fade. You always get like a level 4. Don't do that, bro.
Don't do that.
Get a skin fade, it'll change your destiny.
Don't do that.
Everyone who's going to the barbers this weekend, remember, warn him before he sprays the dragon breath acid.
The dragon breath acid.
And don't ask for no animal print trims and everything will be all right, man.
Bless.
How it reacts.
Gang. Wait, we're previewing something else?
Yes, people.
What
Make sure you like, subscribe, and watch previous episodes. We got something special coming at 10K subscribers.
Ooh.
So get there.
Get there. ASAP. Don't know. Wait, bro. I'm not there yet, bro. We're not reached this yet, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
10K subs. They're at 8K. God damn. Can you guys get me to 8K? 666, should I unlike it? No, it's just numbers. Can you guys get me to 8K? Or at least 3K? I'm at like 2.4 now. Can I get to 3K, please? Thank you. I'd appreciate that if you just subscribe and like the videos. But what they are talking about the barbers and the haircuts and everything, but it was nice, man. And you know me, man. Full of hair already. That's why I have to wear the bonnet when I come on the show. Yeah, it really is a show. The Kogency Reacts channel is like your daily, not daily. It's like a show. You know what I'm saying? The TV and everything. Turn on the TV, get your popcorn, get your food, and sit down and enjoy the show. You understand? But yo, yeah, man, that's really it, man. I enjoyed the video. It was a very funny video. We will talk about some very funny haircuts. I will talk about some other things in the video as well. Some things not even have to do with haircuts. But yo, hit that like button or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. Kogency Reacts channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll.